start. My name is called Kenya Esther. I came to India with my mom. She was suffering from the heart, and we came for the surgery. I thank the Fortis Hospital. They have good service, they care. I thank everything. I have that story to tell people from Uganda. They did everything was good to her, and I thank the caring. I thank everything. May God bless you.
My name is Margaret. I want to say thank you to Medsurge for all the arrangements they made towards my care. I was diagnosed by MR heart disease in 2017, but I always had a lot of fear. Like I didn't know I had a lot of unanswered questions. But when I got in touch with the Medsurge team, they arranged a video call with Dr. Kaul, and we spoke. He told me what I needed to know about the surgery, and yeah, that's when I was convinced that it is possible. But from the time I was in Uganda, the team was so active, the communication was so good, and they organized everything right from my travel and when I arrived, and even while in India, while in hospital, they always checked on me to make sure that I'm receiving the services I'm supposed to receive. Thank you so much to the team, Swata. Thank you so much for being such a nice person with your team. And I also want to thank Dr. Kaul for the services and his team. Really, it has been so nice. And I look forward to referring people, honestly, because even when I talked to my doctor back in Uganda, I told him, yeah, I'm out of hospital and I'm already walking. He was like, wow, so soon like that? I said, yes, I'm getting stronger and stronger. So continue with the spirit and you will save many lives. Thank you so much.